In this second lesson, we're going to do a knowledge harvest. Remember, the knowledge harvest takes place in the early stages of an IPC unit and provides you with the opportunity to reveal what you already know and what you would still like to learn. For today's knowledge harvest, we're going to do this in two parts. In the first part, you're going to complete a simple table, writing down all the things that you can remember or that you already know about the brain, or that perhaps you remember from learning in the Brainwave unit in class 2 in the first column. Then in the second column, you're going to write down all the things that you still want to find out about related to the brain and the learning process. You should write down as much as you can, but I would encourage you to write down at least 5 sentences for each column. And you should keep returning to this table as you learn new knowledge throughout the unit. For the second part of the knowledge harvest, we're going to look at several statements about the brain and the learning process. Think about each one of these statements. Do you agree or disagree with them? Write down in the second column whether you think a statement is true or false. Then you're going to discuss these statements as a class with your teacher. Finally, read through the big idea for this Brainwave unit and the explanation for this unit's theme. After you've had time to reflect, use this as an opportunity to ask your teacher or me any questions you might have about the Brainwave unit. Remember, you can just send us a quick message if you're at home. Lastly, it's good exercise to remind yourself where you are in your learning. What is your state of learning? Are you drowning or are you treading water? Are you consolidating or are you learning something new? In all of your lessons, in fact, it's important for your learning process that you're aware of your state of learning at any particular moment.